Well, I just got back from dinner with the family. That was very nice. Ran a couple errands. Got home, and the first thing I hear is Kevin yelling. Well, not yelling, but boop, 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 boop. From over here with the moms and the babies. Let's see what's going on. Oh, Kevin. Are you trapped in the barn, Kevin? Do you guys have Kevin in there? I know, let's get her in. Let's get her back where she belongs. Okay, everybody, come here. Do you think I can just let her through here? What do you think, Kev? Come this way, sweetie. Well, that works. That's certainly a fine answer, isn't it, Kevin? You're okay. You're okay, sweetie. I know you got yourself trapped on the wrong side, didn't you? It's okay. I got you. Here you go. This will look familiar. Here, how about bedtime over here? What do you think? What about that? Oh, that work for you? There you go. Okay, get yourself to bed, Kevin. Okay. Hey, everybody. Are you all ready for bed? We have spare chickens. Everywhere. How are we doing? How are you doing? Hi, Billy Billy. How's my Billy Billy girl, huh? Yeah, sure you. Hi, Etta. Hi, Miles. How are all my friends? Oh. All right, now I got another chicken over there. Let's just get everybody out. What do we say? Let's just all go out, including the chicken. What do you think? Everybody can just get on out. Let's go on. Everybody out. Come on, let's go. I see. What do you think? Huh? You're not really ready to be rescued either. All right, how many birds do I have to put away tonight? Yeah, you're one of the new ones with the orange and white band, or the orange and blue bands. You and Kevin and everybody else. All right, is that everybody? Okay. Now let's get out. Everybody out, go on. Hercules, you're out. Come on, everyone out. Everybody out, keep it going. Keep it going, Hercules. I will kick him in the head if he tries to beat up on you. Kristoff, don't be a wiener. Should we check out here for eggs? Do we have eggs out here, huh? Hey there, buddy, how you doing? It looks like there's hay in here. Did you guys leave hay in here? Look, there's hay. There's edible hay in there. Hi, sweetie. How's my girl? How's my Lilo? Beasley. Hey, Beasley, how you doing, buddy? How's the big boy? Hello. Hi, Beasley. Hi, Bees. Hi, you good boy. You good boy. I know. Do you guys like Beasley too? It was very exciting. You see any eggs out here, kids? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, huh? Oh, hi, Rosie. You sweet girl. Yes, you are. How you doing, Mr. Kristoff? Hey, pickpocket. I feel you back there. I feel you picking my pocket back there. I am not. I am just trying to steal your money. All right. Look up. No eggs down there. Nothing down there. You know, if you get right next to me and just stand really still in my way, it's really hard for me to get around you. Nothing there. You are nibbling my fingers. Nibble, 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 nibble. Hey, Ada. Okay. Now we're back in the barn. Let's do a little quick sweep for eggs. Looks like Kevin made it up onto the roost. Nothing new there. I didn't know if that one hen was going to come back and finish her work with that spot. You guys pooped in the water here. You made your own mess. Hi, little babies. How you doing? How you doing, little guy? Huh? Hi, Ahsoka. We're not jumping up. We're just saying hi. We're just saying hi. Yes, we are. Hi. Hello. Hi, Leia. How's my little guy, huh? How you doing? Okay, water bowl's cleaned out. Now let's make sure we've got the rest of the barn prep done with the stuff cleaned out of the bowls. So there's nothing extra in the night's feed bowls. Grain time. Okay, mamas and babies, I got some for you here. Coming up. You ready? Ready for our little dance? Are you ready to play? Okay, let's all go back. We're all going to go very far, straight back to the back one back here. Ready? Straight back. Oh, you think you're learning and you're going to go over there? Huh? You ready? That's grain for everybody, so let's let in our fine furry friends. There we go. You all ready? Ready to come in? 1, 2, 3. Hello, everyone. Is that everybody? Okay. That looked like that was everybody. Sleep well. No ducks out, that's a good sign. I don't see anyone running around out here. Kevin, did you make it? Someplace in? Well, Kevin, not there. Of all places, sweetie, not there. Can I help you move? We gotta close the door tonight. Yeah, we do. Here, let me see if I can get you over here. Here, come up here. There we go. Come here. I got you. There you go. Try right here. There you go. That's what you want. Well done, sweetie. Well done. Okay. Anybody else I got to rearrange, or you all good? Okay, good night, everybody. Off to Chicken Manor. Just to make sure there's nobody hiding out here. do that 10 minutes now, huh? Well, no snake tonight. That's good. Hi, Bunny. Yeah, I'd normally wrap things up here, but I don't always end before it's completely pitch black. So I think what I'd like to do tonight is take a little walk and see what the flower garden looks like just before dark. Okay, that's pretty. And that was worth a walk. And with that, good night.